Hey besties, welcome back. Today we will be doing marbling using acrylic powders. Many nail techs use different techniques in marbling acrylics. Today I will be showing you how I do mine. You are able to use so many different colors with this technique. The possibilities are really endless. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay guys, are you ready to have some fun with the color blend collection? Let's get started. So the colors I'm going to be using today is Milky White, Big Spender, and Grateful. Let's have some fun, guys. Okay, so like always, you're going to want to sanitize your hands as well as your clients. Now I'm going to prep this nail for acrylic application. So for today's look, I'm going to be using an artificial tip. So now that I just have my base down for the acrylic application, I'm going to go in with my first color and I want to put a very thin, even layer just to cover the entire nail. And we won't have any spots that are missing color. Okay, so before we apply our acrylic, I'm going to go ahead and properly dehydrate and prime the nail for acrylic application. So for my base color, I'm going to be using Milky White. When applying this bead, you want to pick up enough product to cover the entire nail. But you want to make sure that your bead is medium to wet because you want the consistency very fluid. So with this technique, we don't even have to wait for this to dry. We can go ahead with our next step. For this stone marble look, I'm going to be alternating between these three colors. And for this look, less is more. When applying these colors, you don't want to put too much product on the nail because then it can turn muddy and you'll lose the effect of the stone marble look. So I'm going to start with a really thin, small bead of white. I'm going to pick up some of my brown and we're going to paint that onto the white. Now when doing a design like this, you can always be creative and the options are really unlimited with all the colors that you can find. The beautiful thing about the color blend collection is all of the colors are beautifully compatible with each other. So once you're done applying your colors the way you like, you're going to want to encapsulate in clear acrylic. So now that this nail is dry, I'm going to go ahead and file and shape and buff. So after I'm done filing and shaping the nail, I'm going to grab my non-wipe top coat from KiaraSky. We are going to apply this to the entire nail and let it cure for 60 seconds. So for my last step, I'm going to go in with KiaraSky's Nourish Oil and we're going to apply that to the cuticle. So there you have it, guys, a very simple, elegant way to do a marble that looks like stone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any tips or tricks or comments or questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!